Such a mysterious girl I have never seen before. Such a mysterious girl I have never seen before. She is a book of beauty, a seeker of knowledge and grace, so refined, so well-mannered, almost sacred like a devoted soul. How elegantly adorned, yet so simple in style, so serious and quiet, so full of dignity. Such a mysterious girl I have never seen before. Such a mysterious girl I have never seen before. Curled hair flowing down to the dark of her shoulders, some scattered, some tangled, some gently gathered. There is no harsh glare in her complexion, no sadness or exhaustion of emotions within her. Such a mysterious girl I have never seen before. Such a mysterious girl I have never seen before. When I arrive, her thoughtful silence feels as if a heavenly beauty suddenly becomes a philosopher. Not only to me, she does not fully reveal herself, not even in the gatherings of the city's daughters. Such a mysterious